So it turns out these Bosnian poly metal tab magazines, as they were called by CDNN Sports, are AC Unity BHO or bolt hold open magazines, not the ones with the Soviet follower. 30 round, 7.62 by 39. So I'm just going to call them the AC Unity Gen 1 AK mag. So they have lots of the same features. Hold on, let me check that. Yeah, that's an anti-tilt follower. I don't like the way it sticks up like that though. But it might be the same on the Gen 2 magazine. I'd have to look at it. Anyway, easily removable floor plate, witness hole. Lots of the same features as the AC Unity Gen 2 windowed 7.62 by 39 mag. And bolt hold open. Metal bolt hold open. I don't think there's any... I don't see any metal reinforcement on the feed lips. So, yeah, I would just get the Gen 2 windowed version. I mean, why not? I don't think it compromises the durability of the magazine, the window. So, I think they're just about $1 more. These are about $9 a piece at, I think, $10 a piece at CDNN Sports, but I think AC Unity may be listing them for $9 a piece. So anyway, I like these magazines, especially for the price. I mean, gee whiz, $9 a piece for a durable polymer magazine with metal front and rear locking lugs and a metal bolt hold open. I mean, come on, that's that's a great bargain magazine.